How Clubhouse is different to other social platforms. If you were expecting Clubhouse to be similar to other social media websites, then you're going to be disappointed. There are a lot of differences between Clubhouse and the other major platforms. In this video, we will look to see how Clubhouse compares with 4 of the largest social media sites: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. It was never the intention of the founders of Clubhouse to be like these other social platforms. Clubhouse is a new platform, and there are bound to be some enhancements to it as time goes on. But we don't believe that it will ever look similar to the social media platforms that you are probably used to. Clubhouse is only available for mobile. With the other 4 major social platforms that we have mentioned above, you can access them using a mobile device or a desktop or laptop computer. This is not the case for Clubhouse. Right now, you can only use Clubhouse if you have an iOS or Android mobile device. The app for Android has not been available for that long. For the first few months, people could only use Clubhouse if they had an Apple iOS device. As far as we can ascertain, there are no immediate plans to make Clubhouse available to desktop and laptop users. No business profiles permitted. At the present time, you cannot create a business profile or page on Clubhouse as you can with the other 4 social platforms. You have to use your real name when you become a member of Clubhouse. If you have an alias that you use on other social platforms, then you can mention this in your profile. We do not see this as a major barrier. In time, we do expect Clubhouse to permit the use of the platform for businesses. There's been a lot of money invested in the platform so far, and there will need to be some monetization methods implemented at some stage. The investors are going to require a return on their investment. Audio-only content permitted. With the other 4 platforms, you can make text posts, image posts, and video posts. These are not permitted on Clubhouse. It is a social audio platform, and we do not believe that this is going to change. The audio content is what makes the Clubhouse platform stand out from the rest. It is very likely that other social platforms are looking at the success and fast growth of Clubhouse and will want to offer an audio option as well. We cannot say if or when this will happen, but it is probably going to. Clubhouse does not have messaging. Unlike the other 4 social platforms, you will not find a messaging app in Clubhouse. It is possible for a member of Clubhouse to make contact with other members, but this is not the same as Facebook Messenger, for example. Clubhouse encourages people to get together in rooms and clubs. No newsfeed with Clubhouse. When you log into Clubhouse, you are not going to find a newsfeed as you do with the other 4 major social platforms. What you will see is an overview of what is happening in rooms that are related to your interests. The homepage of Clubhouse is your hallway, and from here you can join rooms where there are audio events you are interested in. You can also use the search feature in your hallway to find other rooms and clubs of interest and to find other members by name. No minimum or maximum content restrictions. You can add as little or as much audio content as you want with Clubhouse. With the other platforms, there are limits to the amount of content that you can post. Twitter is the most restrictive of all, as you probably know. If you want to talk for 10 minutes or for 24 hours on Clubhouse, you can do this. They will not impose a time limit on any of the rooms that members create. Not having any restrictions is a good thing and sets Clubhouse apart from the other platforms. Clubhouse is like an event venue. Clubhouse is different to the other social platforms in that it is more like an event venue. There are rooms, stages, speakers, moderators, and so on. The other platforms do not really have anything like this. Of course, you could run a Facebook Live session, for example, with different features, but you will not have any moderators there. Members of Clubhouse expect to join and create rooms, so the event venue scenario is acceptable to them. With the other social platforms, there's always a lot of other things going on, which can be a big distraction. Clubhouse doesn't offer paid advertising. At the time of writing this training, there were no paid advertising opportunities with Clubhouse. This is very different to the other 4 social platforms, which all have paid advertising. Clubhouse is going to have to add this feature at some stage or find another way to generate revenue. There are currently no monetization methods on the platform. The investors are going to demand that the founders of Clubhouse find a way to monetize the platform. Nothing has been decided yet as far as we are aware. How paid advertising would work with Clubhouse is unknown at the moment. In the next video, we will discuss how to use the basic features of Clubhouse.